Good morning, students. I hope you all are good, fit, fine at home. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. The name of the chapter is teamwork. Now, have you all ever done a project or have you all ever worked on any of the other thing where you all have worked together as classmates or as friends? Now, many a times in the school you all get projects to do, okay, and you all make groups of 5 students, 6 students. It depends on groups. That groups जो आप बनाते हो to complete a project, to make a project, आप टीम वर्क बनकर बनाते हो. सारे मिलकर जो बनाते हैं एक प्रोजेक्ट, that is known as a team work. You participate in sports. You all play kabaddi, you all play volleyball, you all play cricket, football, etc. There are many games. And when you all play together, it's not an individual. Individual means अकेला player नहीं खेलता है. It's a team work. You all play for your team. So that is known as teamwork. Okay? So today we are going to learn what is teamwork. Now this is a poem, okay, and it's been written by Jane Negro. Alright? Let's sing and dance. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we'll share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Now teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Here the poet is saying that when you all work together, किसी भी एक प्रोजेक्ट पे या किसी भी एक चीज़ पे आप काम करते हो एक साथ, तभी उसका हमें जो गोल होता है, यू अचीव योर गोल. ओके, आपका सपना पूरा हो जाता है. वो प्रोजेक्ट आप अकेले नहीं बना पाते हो. ऑलराइट, it's a team work. Or you all are playing cricket for your school, it's a team work. You all are playing football for your school, it's a team work. One individual person cannot win as a team work. When you all get together wholeheartedly and you all win a game, that's known as teamwork. So here the poet also says teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. अगर हम एक साथ जुड़कर कोई भी काम करते हैं, तभी हमारा सपना साकार होता है. Then we'll share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, teamwork. You all know that happiness, that joy, when you all win something. एक साथ होकर जब आप जीत जाते हो, that joy, that glow on your face, that happiness on your face shows that it is a teamwork and you all have achieved your goal. You all won that. Okay, it means that. Now it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes them, nobody shoots. Now here the poet is comparing the game basketball. Okay, when there is somebody who is passing the ball to you, and when you reach the hoop is that basket that is being hung on the wall or on a rod, and when you throw the ball passes that basket and it comes down. Okay, so there also, if that person, the person who's got the ball, is not passing the ball to the other boys and it doesn't come towards to you, you are not able to throw the ball in the basket. So here also it's a teamwork. When you play hockey or football, you will keep on passing the balls to one another. Not balls, ball. Okay, you will keep अपने टीम के बच्चों के पास ही, ग्रुप में ही आप पास करते हो. And then the person who's near the net, वो गोल मार देते हैं. सो इट्स नॉट दैट जिन्होंने गोल मारा इज द विनर. इट्स अ टीम वर्क. इट्स एवरीबडी हु इज पासिंग द बॉल टू द ग्रुप. वो पास होते होते वहाँ नेट तक चली जाता है. एंड देन द पर्सन हु इज क्लोज बाय फ्रॉम योर ग्रुप गिव्स अ गोल ओवर देयर. And that is how you will get a goal over there. Then you will score 1 point over there. So here also it's a teamwork. So here the poet is comparing this teamwork word to the game basketball. One person cannot just play the game basketball. It's again a group. It's again a team. One by one the ball is being passed, and the person who is very close by to the basket, to the hoop, that person throws the ball in the basket and you'll get 1 point. Okay? And the rally race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. Rally race आपने देखा है जहाँ पे एक ग्रुप में 4 players होते हैं. रनिंग रेस होती है. And baton is like a small stick which you pass on to your group. Okay? There are 4. After every 100 meters there is somebody who is standing from your group. Okay? और आप जैसे कि आप स्टार्ट करते हो गेम को, रैली रेस, यू आर स्टार्टिंग विद दैट बैटन. इट्स अ स्टिक टाइप थिंग. आपके ग्रुप में जो लड़का आगे 100 मीटर्स तक खड़ा है, आप उसके हाथ में देते हो वो स्टिक जैसी, और वो लेके आगे भागता है. एंड देयर समबडी एल्स फ्रॉम योर ग्रुप स्टैंडिंग अहेड अगेन आफ्टर 100 मीटर्स. ऐसे करके 3 और 4 प्लेयर्स एक ग्रुप में होते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ रिले रेस. ओके? सो इट्स नॉट वन पर्सन हु इज रनिंग. या जो शुरुआत में किया है, भागा है, वो नहीं जीतता है. इट्स ऑल द टीम वर्क, ऑल द प्लेयर्स हु इज रनिंग फॉर दैट रेस. ओके? सो हियर द पोएट हैज कंपेयर्ड द वर्ड टीम वर्क with the basketball game, and here again with the rally race. Okay? Now we are the part that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when you or me becomes an us. So well the poet has expressed, these feelings of the teamwork. So well he is explained to us. Here the poet is saying we are the parts that make up the whole. WHOLE, whole यानी पूरा. हम सब मिलकर एक टीम वर्क जब होते हैं. ओके? एंड वी हैव गॉट आवर आइज ऑन अ कॉमन गोल. हम सब का एक ही गोल होता है, टू विन दैट गेम, टू विन द प्रोजेक्ट. Sometimes it can be a big plus, okay, when a you or a me becomes an us. When you यानी एक इंसान, या me यानी मैं, हम एक दूसरे को मिलाकर बन जाते हैं us. Us means हम सब साथ में. like 5 उंगलियां जब हम ऐसे पकड़ते हैं एक साथ, तब जाके वो मुट्ठी बनती है. इट्स लाइक हम टुगेदर. सो नाइसली द पोएट हैज पुट दिस सेंटेंस. समटाइम्स इट कैन बी अ बिग प्लस व्हेन अ यू मीन्स व्हेन यू और अ मी, आई, बिकम्स एन अस, यानी हम दोनों को मिलाकर अस होता है. That means it is a teamwork. So well and so nicely the poet has explained to us the meaning of the word teamwork. मिलकर जो हम प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं, मिलकर जो हम काम करते हैं, और जब हमको उसका रिवॉर्ड मिलता है, how happy we are. But my dear students, when it is a teamwork, it's all, everybody is winning that project, is winning the goal. कोई one individual child or student or person doesn't achieve it. It's the whole group. नाउ क्रिकेट में भी 11 प्लेयर्स होते हैं एंड देर आर एक्स्ट्राज ऑल्सो. सो इट डजंट मीन कि द cricketer who's scored 100, a century, is the winner. No, my dear. All 11 players are putting their efforts to win the game. So they all are winners, and that is known as a teamwork. I hope you all understood this poem. Please watch the video properly, listen to it properly. If you all have got any doubts, any queries, please call me and ask. Okay? Now today's homework is read the poem at least 3 times and write this poem in your English notebook. It should be as it is. Wherever there is a comma, you are supposed to put a comma. Wherever there is a full stop, you are supposed to put a full stop. I suppose you all by now you all know how to write a poem. Okay? So today's homework is read this poem 3 times and then copy it as it is in your English notebook. Is it clear? Thank you so much and have a nice day. Please focus on your studies, students. Study is really very important. Sorry. I hope you all have understood, and it's a really meaningful poem. This is for today's generation. अगर आपके हाथ में मैं एक स्टिक दे दूं तो आप आसानी से उसको तोड़ सकते हो. हर एक, जैसे 5 बच्चों को मैं एक एक करके एक स्टिक दे दूं लकड़ी, तो आप आसानी से उसको तोड़ सकते हैं. बट वही मैं 5 मिलाकर अगर हर एक को दूर तोड़ने के लिए, टू ब्रेक ऑल द 5 टुगेदर स्टिक्स, you all will not be able to break those 5 sticks together. That means unity is strength. एकता में ही ताकत होती है. That is exactly what the poet wants to tell us in this poem. Teamwork, unity, togetherness. Okay? So my dear students, follow this poem. This will really help you in your future. Okay? It's a very nice poem. Try to understand. Any doubts, any queries, please call me and ask me. Okay? Thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.